Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited Gmail accounts without the need of phone verification. This is something that very few people know about. Let me show you guys. So in terms of you to be able to create 5 new Gmail accounts without the phone number verification, all you need to do is to go on your browser of choice. You want to click on the lower right corner at the 3 dots, and then you want to scroll down to the clear browsing data function. Okay, when you clear the browsing data, you will also clear all the related IP queries, IP searches, and the registration with the actual device every time when you try to create a new Gmail account. By default, every device on the page that has all the linked browsing data can create up to 5 Gmails, and usually on the fourth or fifth one you will get asked to input a phone number to get an SMS verification. So how you can actually bypass this? When you clear your browsing data and open a new incognito window, this is where you can essentially create a new Gmail accounts. This is where you're going to create 5 new Gmail accounts, and then you're going to clear again the browsing data from here and use the first of the 5 new accounts that you created. With this new first account, you are going to log in to your Gmail account, and then you're going to create 5 new accounts. After you create these 5 new accounts, you're gonna again clear your browsing data, you're gonna log out, and out of the new 5 accounts you're going to use the second one, then the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. After each new batch of accounts, you always want to go back and clear your browsing data, because like I mentioned, every time when you create anything while you're logged in to your Gmail account, all the actions, all the search queries, all the creations of the accounts will be linked to your account, to your device. So when you clear your browsing data, there is nothing to connect the dots. This is how you essentially bypass this verification setting. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.